The Calphalon Classic Nonstick Cookware set is a great choice for many cooks. It has a hard-anodized exterior. This makes each piece strong and long-lasting. The non-stick surface is very useful. Food does not stick easily. Cleaning up after cooking is also easier. You can cook many types of ingredient in these pans. For example, you can fry eggs or sear meat. This Calphalon Classic Nonstick set heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook better. There are different sizes of pots and pans, so you can choose the right one for your cooking needs. The handles are designed to stay cool. This is a good safety feature in your kitchen. Many men and women will find these easy to use. There is no con that stands out too much. Overall, the Calphalon Classic Nonstick Cookware is a solid set. It offers good performance and convenience. The nonstick coating helps a lot with cooking and cleaning. It is not scientific luggage, but it travels well from stovetop to sink. If you want reliable cookware, this set is worth considering. It's a practical choice for your kitchen states. Pros: excellent nonstick, easy food release, fast, even heating, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 450 degrees F. Stay cool handles, tempered glass lids, pour spouts, measuring marks, straining covers. Cons: coating can degrade, may lose. Non-stick can get scratched, quality may have declined. Outer coating can wear, some report warping, not always durable, can be hard to clean, may chip or flake. Food can sometimes stick. Features: non-stick surface, durable, easy cleanup, oven safe, stay cool handles, dishwasher safe, even heating, versatile, long-lasting. The Calphalon Classic Hard-Anodized Nonstick Cookware has a surface that stops food from sticking. It is made to last a long time and is easy to clean. You can even put it in the oven. The handles stay cool when you are cooking. It's also safe to wash in a dishwasher. This cookware heats food evenly and can be used for many different ways of cooking. Because it is made well, it will last you for a long time. Calphalon Classic Hard-Anodized Nonstick Cookware is known for its great nonstick surface that makes food come off easily and helps it heat up quickly and evenly. It's also convenient because you can put it in the dishwasher and oven. The handles stay cool, and the lids are clear so you can see inside. Plus, some have spouts for pouring and marks for measuring. However, the non-stick coating might wear out, get scratched, or lose its stickiness over time. And some people have found that the outer coating wears down. The pans can warp, and they might not always last a long time or be easy to clean, with food sometimes sticking or the coating chipping.